welcome to another Ask Angela. Now, last time we saw you, Angela, you were driving back from Reading in your car. I think everyone wants to know, what's topical with UTC Swindon?
I suppose the most topical bit at the moment is how the building's doing. We've had some fabulous progress since the end of February. We've got some aerial photographs actually to go onto the web page this week, which are really exciting. You can see the developments, particularly the new build part, which seems to have just appeared out of the ground, and it's fabulous. The whole site is really taking shape now, which makes it really exciting. And in fact, we're looking at starting to do first fit-outs in some areas as well. So it's looking like the college now, not a building site. Well, a little bit more anyway.
So a lot of students may be apprehensive with their options coming up in schools. What advice do you have for these students?
I would say, come and talk to me, see what we have to offer. We do offer GCSEs and A-levels like school. We offer a very good enrichment activity for students. But because we have a longer working day and a longer working year, we can offer more qualifications over a 2 or a 4 year period. And in fact, if a young person started with us at year 10 and went right the way through to year 13, what they get in 4 years is 5 years education. They also get hands-on project work with employers. They get work placements out in industry. Year 10s and 11 will get at least a week per year. And in the sixth form, they'll get 2 to 3 months in the 2 years that they're with us. So that makes us a really exciting place to be. And the information, advice and guidance about moving on career-wise is fabulous because we have 68 partners and 2 sponsors working with us that can support us in those processes.
You've got the applications in now, so what are the next steps?
Okay, we've got quite a large number of applications in. Once we've got applications, we're sending out acceptance offers to young people, and then they're accepting the places once we've made an offer to them. It's quite a process because after they've accepted, we're arranging one-to-one interviews with me. That's partly to sort of try to cement a relationship between the young person and their family and the UTC, so we can get to know them a little bit, but also planning out their curriculum. If you remember from the very first launch of the UTC, Emma, our focus is on individualised learning programme for each student. So I'm looking at GCSE options, A-level options, the engineering courses that they'll be taking, what sort of enrichment activities they want to be doing, and what their working day will look like. So I'm spending time with young people and their parents now doing that, and it's really enjoyable actually. It's been really exciting and really nice.
How are the employers working with you and the curriculum?
Okay, well, as you know from our launch, we're very much having a curriculum that's led by employers, so it's about the sorts of qualifications that they want. But also we're going to make that very practical, so the academic side of a young person's studies becomes an applied side. So the employers are developing projects and commissions that will help young people with their studies, but also provide them with the necessary skills and development that they need to go onto industry or onto university. We've got some projects that are developed already. I've been working closely with Network Rail and Thames Water, for example, but we've got projects coming from Intel and a number of other companies. And in fact, all the partners are coming together on Monday evening to start developing projects further, so we're starting covering the whole 4 years of education.